you know what to do when disaster strikes? No one plans on going through a disaster. For help with an immediate solution to your crisis, National Restoration Technologies should be your first call. Family-owned and operated, NRT will help you with the burden of what to do next.
Here at National Restoration Technologies, we offer a turnkey service from any disaster, from a fire to a flood. We offer emergency services from initial board-ups all the way to complete reconstruction services, getting our clients back into their homes. We have crews available basically 24/7 to respond to offer board-ups and immediate restoration needs to any of our clients that may need it. We are a family-owned and operated company. Both myself and my brothers work for the business. My father, Jack Hopkins, is the owner, and we work as a family, and we treat our clients as family.
NRT offers a turnkey solution to both your restoration and construction needs.
We initially go out to assess the damages caused by either a fire, flood, or some kind of natural disaster. We have a whole crew of people that come in, determine whether or not there is emergency items that have to be taken care of. We also specialize in the contents restoration in addition to the reconstruction of the actual dwelling. We deal almost exclusively with insurance claims. We are geared to the fact that we have to deal with the insurance company because they're part of the process. They're the ones that actually pay for our work. We come in and assess what has to be done, work with your adjuster, and determine exactly what the claim's going to be. I enjoy working with my 3 sons. I've grown up in this business. I used to be an insurance adjuster, so I know the facet from both sides of this claim process.
They believe in helping clients who are working through some of the most difficult moments of their lives.
We had a house fire and we didn't have a total loss, but there was so much smoke damage that it was almost like a total loss. So we had to redo every single bedroom in the house, the whole roof, from cabinets, flooring. We were able to even redesign a part of our house to make even a more amazing house. NRT came in, they was able to find us a rental home close by, and they was able to rebuild the home of our dreams all within 12 months. From start to finish, hands down, amazing. 12-month project, couldn't have went any smoother.
Pack-out service is when there's a fire loss or any other type of insurance loss event where the contents within the home need to be removed in order to facilitate the repairs. And a lot of times NRT is able to offer a service that goes above and beyond most other restoration companies in that when we provide the service, we treat the customer's belongings like they are our own. And when we do that, it seems like it really does put people at ease because when we pack the items up, we package them in such a way that, again, we treat them like our own belongings and they're not just simple content items like furniture pieces or knickknacks, figurines, dishes. Again, we treat them like they're our own property.
And the work speaks for itself.
Our goal at NRT after these traumatic events for our clients is to come in and get their homes put back together quickly, effectively, and better than they were before.
I enjoy working with my sons. They basically grown up in the business. They have the same philosophy that I do, that we're here for the customer and to get them back into their residence as soon as possible with the least amount of stress on them.
To find out more about National Restoration Technologies, visit nrtechnologies.com and designingspaces.tv.